What's up? It is 4 in the morning in Iceland, just outside Reykjavik, because got an active volcano over here, folks. That's it behind me. I'm just on this hike to the top, hopefully get some shots. On the way driving in, the smoke looked insane. Nicole and I were about to pass out, and we saw the volcano erupted again. And we just kind of headed over here. She's passed out. We did do this hike a couple nights ago, but we got fogged out. But check this out. Looks like Blade Runner, right? All right, I'm gonna do some more hiking, find a dope little picture or two, get the drone up. I'm out of shape. I'm already lost on this hiking path C I'm taking, but I did stumble upon this old lava field from one of the old flows. Hyper post-apocalyptic and very Mordor. Just met some crazy nice French people who just pointed out the trail. They were just coming back this way. This isn't as dangerous as it seems. It's a pretty popular hike now. This thing's been erupting for, I think, a couple months. Let me adjust my exposure, flip my screen, just a little higher over this lava field. We're higher up. My glasses are foggy. Just went up a steep one. I'm way above the lava field now. Another view of the lava field. Here's the trail. We came from all the way over there. So steep. This volcano, you can hear it, man. It sounds like primal energy. Whoa, it might spill over the side. Destination. It's getting tough and vertical. Oh, volcano. Volcano, I love you. You on manual? No, I probably fucked up all that focus. All right, we're going to this peak. Then we're switching to the 85. Oh, lava. It's cascading. Peaked it. No big deal. I think I'm pretty much as far as I'm gonna go. There's a bunch of other people here at the peak. I think you could keep going. If they're flying a drone, I think we could fly a drone too. All right, well that worked out better than I ever dreamed possible. That was a volcano, like in Dante's Peak, in Inferno, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Let me know your favorite volcano movie. And it just goes to show you, if you stay up for 21 hours, you can hike to Mordor, capture a volcano. This view up here is nuts, guys. You seeing this? Just walking back, had the realization that this is the best hike of my life. And it's gonna be really hard to top. Freaking modern technology, I don't even know if we would have seen that volcano like that. There's no way. I saw some people setting up an Inspire 2, giant pro drone. That footage is gonna rule. I think I did pretty good for our 50 viewer YouTube channel. I'm gonna head back. Oh, sure, here's the lava field again. Check it out. I think that's gonna do it. I'm gonna put the camera away so I can kind of hustle back to the parking lot here. Hope you liked this. I'm Justin McLean. I dropped out of film school, and yeah, fuck all my teachers. Have a great day.